A photograph of a woman surrounded by trained fish in Vietnam and another showing lightning over a lavender field in Spain are among 10 category winners at the Sony World Photography Awards 2021 Open Competition. Announced Thursday, arranged by the World Photography Organization, the annual open competition selects the best single images in categories such as travel, architecture, and street photography. Vietnamese photographer Can Pan won the travel category for a dream fish image which was taken at Long Hay Fish Market in Bahia, Vung Tau, Vietnam. Spanish photographer John Lopez Rufus won the landscape category for capturing the moment lightning strikes over a field of lavender with a solitary tree at the center. German photographer Klaus Lenzen won the architecture category for his image of a set of stars at the Head Hotel in Düsseldorf which look like they are floating in space, and a Tillik River from Turkey was named the winner of the street photography category for a photo of a municipal worker in Ankara, Turkey, distributing a train platform. Winners in the other six categories are as follows: Termi Kutinta, Zimbabwe in the creative category, Mariano Wilmer, Torrexilla, Spain, lifestyle, Marijo Moduna, Carotina Monson, Cristo Ilome, Estonia, Nature World and Wildlife, Katarzyl, Hungary Object, and Lumlimilla Sabinia, Russian Federation, Portraiture. The 10 category winners will now be considered for the overall title and a $5,000 prize. They also received a selection of Sony digital imaging equipment. The overall winner of the open competition will be announced on April 15. More than 100 photographers were shortlisted for the competition alongside the category winners. Winning and shortlist work will be showcased in a virtual exhibition on the World Photography Organization website. The 2021 competition was judged by Gaston Delieu, director of the Fotografia Tecnoamericana, the Latin American Photo Library Gallery in Buenos Aires, Argentina.